Getting a quote from Xometry is just a click away. Our secure file upload system accepts most CAD file types. Feel free to upload multiple files at a time. In seconds, your parts will appear with pricing and lead times. Click part thumbnails to configure your quote further. Use our part viewer to review models and see DFM feedback. Our built-in search tool can help you find useful resources. Xometry offers over a dozen manufacturing technologies, from CNC machining to sheet metal, laser or waterjet sheet cutting, to 3D printing plastics and metals, injection molding, die casting, and more. You can update the quantities, processes, materials, finishes, and inspection needs. Specify features like tapped holes, inserts, part marking, and inspection options. Pricing and lead time will automatically update based on your selections. Need something different? Choose Custom under Materials or Finishes for an expert review. You can also attach technical drawings and select from a variety of inspection options, certification requirements, or export restrictions to fit your project's specific needs. If you need your project sooner, try out our Expedite option. Or if you have some time, try out our cost-saving economy option. When ready to order, simply go to checkout or share the quote with a purchaser. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions along the way, our customer service agents and engineering experts are here to help.